If you want to send emails from your Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, you can for sure do that. You will have to open all apps screen by clicking on the Crown Control button, and here just search for the Mail application. Now, as you can see, to create a mail, we have to click on the right bottom corner, and first of all, we have to add a contact, add subject. If you want to add a contact, you can simply use voice typing. It's much easier than using a keyboard. You can also pick someone from your contacts, and here you can create a message. So we can find some suggestions, but also we can click here on the text pool. And right now I will highly recommend you to use voice typing. As you can see, it works pretty fine. I'm not a native English speaker, as you can hear, but it recognizes everything that I'm saying right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you actually finish, you can click down in the right upper corner. There we go. And now that's our mail message over here. If you add that, someone will be able to send it. And that's pretty much it.